Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to group and ungroup shape in Google Sheets document. So get ready started. At first open your Google Sheets document. In this video, I will show group and ungroup shape. Now going to the insert menu option. Now click for a drawing option. Then select from a shape. Now again shape, then analysis shape. Now for select, then drawing a shape, then click for a fill color option. Now click for transparent and click for a border width option. Now click for 3px. Then shape is a copy. Now click for a copy, then press from a Ctrl V. Then again Ctrl V. That's now select from a shape. Now click for mouse right button option. Then select mouse right button. Now click for a group option. That's it. Then move from the shape in the group shape. Then again click for mouse right button. Now click for a ungroup. That's it. Then again another group shape. Now going to the shape option. Now click for a shape. Now click from rectangle shape. Then select from a shape. Now draw a shape. Now click for a shape fill color. Now click for transparent. Now click for a border width option. Now click for 3px. Now shape is from copy. Now click for mouse right button option. Now click for copy. Then again for click mouse right. Now click for a shape. Then again mouse right button. Now for click, then click for a shape. Now for paste. Then group shape from the select. Now click for mouse right button option. Now click for a group. Then move from a group shape. Move any here. Then any here place. Then again click for mouse right button. Then click for ungroup. Then I show. Then you can see. Now click for 7 color option. That is. Then I show group and ungroup shape in Google Sheets document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for